Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer blog posts into Kajabi affiliate funnels, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Marketing tab. Click on Pipelines to access your affiliate funnels. Choose the funnel you want to transfer your blog posts into. Open the funnel and select the specific page where you'd like to add the blog content. Next, open your blog post in a separate tab or window. Copy the content of your blog post from the source. Return to Kajabi and find the appropriate text block within your funnel page. Paste the copied blog content into the text block. Format the text as needed to ensure it aligns with your overall design. If your blog post includes images, switch back to your blog and download any needed images. Return to Kajabi and click on the image block where you'd like to insert your images. Upload the images you downloaded earlier and adjust their size or position as necessary. For SEO purposes, include alt text for any images you add. Review the entire page to ensure the content flows well and is visually appealing. Once everything looks good, click the Save button to secure your changes. You can preview the page to see how it will appear to visitors. If any adjustments are needed, go back and edit the content accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.